Hello, everyone. This is Mehmet Kazgan, founder and CEO of Cliexa. I want to start today with a little funny thing that Sarma is going to present actually a couple presentations later. He was talking about connecting his Nintendo Switch to the screen and play afterwards. So that got me thinking I'm going to start my speech today with a Marvel actually quote. How many people know Spider-Man? Perfect. So it starts with like this: with great power comes with great responsibility. I'm going to just say the word opioids, and I think you will just get right away what it means. If you think about the arena today in healthcare for opioids, there's a lot of regulations, a lot of issues, a lot of problems, but we really put a lot of responsibility with that great power to our physicians and clinicians. Yet, we also limit and restrict their power with a lot of regulatory and compliance issues at the same time. What we are doing is we're providing an opioid use risk prediction platform, gathering, aggregating, and synthesizing data, empowering physicians to make really early decision-making process more efficient for them. And we do that by gathering information from different data sources. As you look at the space today with opioids, obviously clinical decision-making is the key, and how you can present that information to the clinicians as quickly as possible, processing that quickly, and then make them compliant and give them a lot of options that they can make a decision quick. The way we do is really seamlessly integrating that solution by EMR solutions in the background, which Mayo Clinic platform actually opened a lot of doors and possibilities to enable that. So we can aggregate, we can process, and we can serve this information quickly by providing AI insights running in the background. We have done a lot of work validating our study, our work. We have been a graduate of Accelerate program. We're one of the first companies graduated with the first cohort with Mayo Clinic platform. We validated that information and tested our model. We even built further. American College of Cardiology is also another investor and a partner. We also focused on multi-comorbidities and cardiovascular conditions that will help for this model as well. What do we propose? Well, we propose clinical, operational, and financial outcomes with that. If you're looking at the prediction on opioid use disorder, the first thing we try to provide is early identification and personalized intervention. And we keep dynamically watching that information through the patient journey from the EMRs and other information exchange solutions, and we keep feeding that model back to the system. Obviously, operational and financial outcomes to follow. What we did with Mayo Clinic platform, accessing 3.5 million data points, identified 100,000 patients with opioids, with confirmed opioid use disorder, and people on addiction treatment. And we tried 4 models, and you can see in the middle, we hit 97% accuracy on predicting patients with their diagnosis 2 + 6 months actually before on their flow sheet. And we use different fine-tuning and calibration models, and we're going to keep working as we actually build more with our existing contracts and building forward. We did one with University of Colorado at Boulder. By looking at the patient's mental health cases, we could actually predict their pain from 1 to 10 over 96% accuracy for lower back pain patients. It's a published study in partnership, and it was funded by an NIH study. This is an outcome from a clinic that I chaired and owned with 5 locations. It's an interdisciplinary approach from pain to surgical diagnosis, PT, and mental health. We were able to test our first model that we actually trained and improved with Mayo Clinic platform later for 1,200 patients. We actually decreased at least 10% for the opioid prescriptions over the course of 6 months. This is our team. We are kind of like technologists and medical experts in that. This is the team, and I have another layer of team making it happen for us. I'll close this by actually talking about Ted Lasso, another show. He talks about empathy, collaboration, and innovation. And I think giving that opportunity for us at Mayo Clinic platform, we were able to build an empathy for how we take care of basically patients and collaborate. I think that's what we're here for. And I love about innovation, and thanks for Mayo Clinic opening doors for us and opportunities. Thank you.